We have a 2009 Chrysler 300, and apparently this key is signed invalid. What's this message that's to? I haven't actually looked at it yet, so. Well, there's my immobilizer light, the red dot. 161,000. So what I'm hoping is that we don't have a bad module. We just have a bad key. So I do have a brand new key as well, right here. I did just update the tool a little bit, so let's see if I can still go into this without internet. North America right there, 300. This is a 2009. That's what they told me. Let me just double check. 0908. So let's go 2009 Fobik. If you have a long key, turn the ignition on. And just because of the situation, I'm going to try to clear the DTC. If there's any DTC, I'm going to read it. And hopefully it's clear. Let's got one in the PCM. This is present gear neutral. It's in park. Keynote programs. Interesting. Look. So I guess you get a lot of information on this one. Keys learned, 3 keys. We have customer's original key in the ignition. Where did that thing go? Pin successful. Yes, yes, yes. No fob. No remote start. Scream status. Keynote programs. So let's try to clear the DTC. And we got no fault, so I'm gonna run it as an all keys lost. This will remove all keys. So we want to delete this key. Switch ignition off and switch it back on. "5529" is the password. Erase all keys, yes. Number of keys is currently 0. For PEPs, please remove the start button and insert the key to be learned. Otherwise, insert the key directly and turn the ignition on. The current keys is 0. Do you want to continue to learn the key? We're going to press yes. Now this is customer's original goes back in. That's a successful noise, I feel like. My mobilizer light is still blinking. This is this one right here. Learning successful. Awesome. So let's go yes. Turn the ignition off. Pull that key. Put new key in and turn on. Okay. Learning successful. Nope, no more keys. That is it. Customer's original key. It's not usual for a key to be unprogrammed, you know, but it does happen. Customer's original key. It still works too. Boom. Job done. Right, let's go cut this emergency key. This key's already cut, so throw it into the machine, duplicate it, universal, and then that's it. Job done. This one we're gonna put out the full alignment, and I am super low on battery. Great. Change that to full alignment. That's not the correct one. Ah! There it is. This is not quick. I feel like that failed. Yeah, why did that fail? Probably because of me. Alright, let's try you again. This is my emergency backup right here. Which one do I need? This one? Somewhat like that. My light's on. I feel like it fouled on the last bit last time, the very last part. If you want to learn a leash, you know, this is the one you want to learn on. Perfect. Alright. Back to the full alignment. Looks like that. It's a little scratched up, eh? I don't know how that looks through the camera, but alrighty, now we're good. Nice easy job. Thankfully that module wasn't faulty, because I don't have any in stock. But